Peace and love, family. It's Qasim Zone. Back in the building. Got some new information for y'all. So remember, I told you anytime you're arrested and anytime you have a consensual encounter with a police officer, you always record. So someone hit me up and I did an open public records request for them to try to gain information about the case that they were involved in, or the situation of the event that they was involved in. And I just want to show y'all how crooked and corrupted the police are intertwined with the municipal courts and intertwined with the court system, period. All right? And how they, they disregard police transparency, all right, by not giving a fuck about the members of the public. And this is why I say watch who you vote for and know their endeavors in the future, because those are people who are going to be responsible for your people in the future and how they get treated. So with that being said, here you see my email. I made an OPRA request. I showed you guys how to do this before. If you do not understand how to do this, you could go back to one of my previous videos here on Facebook and educate yourself. But I just want to show you what I was asking for and under what statute of law I have to give them in order to obtain these documents. So as you can see, I made the email. When was that? January 20th? January 20th, 2021, right? So, right, I just got another email. Mind you, it's the 17th of February, right? So this is the information that I obtained by them. So I was trying to receive body camera footage of the event and which happened with these officers right here. And this is the OPRA request that they responded in with the information that they gave, but they didn't give the body cam footage, right? So I have been asking for that body camera footage for about a month now. It's the 17th, right? And look at what they hit me with. I want y'all to see their response and what they said, right? So this is their response right here, right? And they saying, please note, from the city attorney. This from the city attorney. Now, most of the times I deal with OPRA requests and I make these requests, city attorney is never involved. And I mean never involved. So you know what that means, right? That means they looked at the body camera footage. They had their city attorney go look at the body camera footage and see if the officer committed any civil deprivation crimes against the member of the public. And then in fact, I got a note from the city attorney getting involved in this manner. So if the city attorney is getting involved, that should let you know from the door what's going on. He seen or she seen the body camera footage and they've redacted most of the information. Okay, that's what they did. Now look at this message from the city attorney. Please be advised, as per the city attorney. Please note the response from the public department, police department provided on 210, the BWC recording, that's the body camera footage, that was authorized to be released to the requester originally in this matter was provided in unredacted form in its entirety, and there is no additional existing footage available. Therefore, because there is no other responsive footage that exists, none can be provided by the city, and this request should be considered completed. Right? And this is how I responded, which they just sent me now, right? I responded back to them, no, this request is not completed due to the missing 35 minutes of the event, because it was 40 minutes in total, right? And only one body cam audio was sent. They didn't send me the body camera footage. They sent me the audio of it. They supposed to send me the footage, the video of it, and the audio. And they redacted the other 32 to 35 minutes because they only sent 7 minutes of the audio. They didn't see the footage. So I said, I need all 4 officers' body cam visual and audio and non-edited. It's like, don't redact it. Why are you taking 32 to 35 minutes of it out? Because you know you committed the crime. Under NJSA 47:1A, I need all records I requested. So if the city attorney has to get involved, right, that lets you know that that redacted information that they took back, they did something corrupted and they violated someone's rights. And they try not to let the public see that or know that. You know what I'm saying? And this is what I'm saying, man. We gotta, you think the city attorney worked for the mayor. So if the city attorney is allowing this and knowing that they're doing something unlawful, you think the mayor don't know? You think the mayor don't know? Come on. Now I gotta file a GRC complaint with the government to make the government follow the NJSA 47:1A law and send me the information via email so we can know what happened to that person. We won't know what happened to that person unless we have the actual evidence of the footage and the audio. We don't just need the audio. And why would you redact 32 to 35 minutes of the footage? What are you hiding? And this is what we talk about: police transparency and court administration transparency and the mayor administration transparency. There's no transparency, and this is what I'm saying. We're excluded out of shit. You know what I mean? And as long as we look the other cheek, everything's supposed to be all right. Nah, these niggas ain't even following the law. They ain't even following their rules. You know what I mean? But they got a big one coming for them. I'm on their ass. I just wanted to keep y'all updated. I'm going to keep y'all updated more and let y'all know how to handle these situations as they come along. Peace and love, family.